1, 2, 3, oh! Got a good reason for taking the easy way out. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out. She was a day tripper, one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out, but I found out. Hey, I'm Vasco, and today I will show you how I'm playing Day Tripper by the Beatles. We will not do it in the original key because on the ukulele it just doesn't fit it that well. We'll do it in C, which is 4/2 steps lower than the original, right? That way the little pick fits the ukulele pretty good. So this is a high G string uke. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Okay, of course we'll start with the little riff, right? It's over the chord of C7. Let me come a little bit closer to show you exactly what I'm doing. So we start with open C string, and then with the middle finger on the 3rd fret, slide it to the 4th. And then with the pointing finger barring here the A and E string, right? So, and then with the pinky here on the E string 6th fret, then remove it and the bar is holding here on the 3rd fret. And then with the ring finger, A string 5th fret, again E string 3rd, and then 6th to 8th, right? One and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and one. We'll do exactly the same thing over F, and then exactly the same thing we have it in the heated part of the song. This is how I'm calling it. We do it over G, but over F7 it will go like this. We start here on the 5th fret of the C string, and then on the C string again we slide this from 8th to 9th, and then again the bar here on the 8th fret, pinky, ring, pinky, slide, all right? So the intro starts with the C thing. Let's go through the verse. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out. And here we go to F. Got a good reason. Getting back to C. For taking the easy way out. She was a... And here we go to the chord of D. I'm grabbing it here with a bar. And I'm adding here the pinky on the E string 8th, 7th, 5th, right? She was a day tripper, one-way ticket, yeah. It took me that F, but barred on the 5th fret, avoiding the A string. So long to E, the same thing, just sliding 1 fret down. And then we have the chord of A to find out. But I found out to the chord of G, right? And pretty much this is the main thing in the song. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out. She was a day tripper, one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out, but I I found out. And between verses again, whole C. And after the second verse we go to G, right? And also we have this same pick but starting on the 7th fret of the C string and then doing the same, right? We are repeating this a bunch of times, then you can start strumming even G7 and you do the last verse. So this sums up the song basically, but here are a few tips for playing this riff and singing at the same time, because to be honest it's challenging. You have to have two CPUs in your head, one working on the playing and one working on the singing. Of course it will be easier to start slower. When you're very comfortable with this, try to add the singing, but also notice exactly which word is on exactly which note, right? Got a good reason for taking, right? Take is on open C. Taking the easy way out. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out. She was a day tripper, one-way ticket, yes. It took me so long to find out what I found out. It will be easier if you have the printable in front of you, and also there you can find interactive tabs for the little pick, which you can slow down and play with it. It's basically like a metronome, but it's showing you exactly what you have to play, and you can set it as slow as you need to. So yeah, check it out in the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this. I hope it was helpful. Another Beatles song in the channel. I don't know, maybe it's already more than 50 Beatles songs here. Yeah, if you want to check out my other Beatles tutorials, I believe that they'll be somewhere right here, I guess. And again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, requesting songs, and everything. Goodbye. See you in the next one.